الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلا بعضهم إلى بعض قالوا أتحدثونهم بما فتح الله عليكم ليحاجوكم به عند ربكم أفلا تعقلون. Translation. And when they meet those who believe, meaning Muslims, they say, "We have believed." But when they meet each other, meaning other Jews privately, they say, "Do you tell them what Allah has revealed to you so that they may argue or dispute with you about this before your Rabb? Have you then no sense to understand, O Jews?" In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions the hypocrites of the Jews. There were hypocrites or munafiqeen in Muslims, and there were hypocrites or munafiqeen in Jews as well, who showed they were Muslim when they were among Muslims, but when they were among Jews, they showed that they were Jews. And these people, when they come back to the other Jews, especially their scholars, the scholars and other Jews will ask them that why did you mention Muslims that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's signs, his prediction and his characteristics are written in Torah. And they said that you told Muslims that all these things written in Torah, meaning that you have given them a reason that they will argue or dispute against you in the hereafter when they will meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then they say that you have no sense to understand. So they were unhappy with them, with them mentioning what is written in Torah. And this shows the weakness of their iman, the weakness of their belief, which could be understood with the next ayah, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أَوَلَا يَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ يَعْلَمُ مَا يُسِرُّونَ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ. Translation. Are they not aware that Allah knows all what they keep hidden and what they reveal or declare? So this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that these Jews are trying to hide stuff from Muslims so that Muslims cannot dispute or argue against Jews in hereafter when they are in front of the Rabb. But they don't understand that Allah knows whatever they are doing in open or whatever they are doing in privacy. Allah knows each and everything, and Jews are not thinking about this, and they are just trying to hide the facts written in Torah about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and about Quran, which is a very foolish act. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Qaf, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ وَنَعْلَمُ مَا تُوَسْوِسُ بِهِ نَفْسُهُ وَنَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْ حَبْلِ الْوَرِيدِ. Translation. And indeed we created the humans and we know the whispering of his soul or mind, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein in the neck. So Allah knows even the thoughts that are going through in our mind, in our heart, and he's closer to the big vein in the neck. So how come Jews are thinking that by hiding the facts written in Torah will save them in front of Allah? Allah knows each and everything, and this shows the weakness of the iman of Jews, and this also shows that how clear were they in understanding the fact that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the true prophet, and Quran is the book of Allah. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.